West to East. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Ito na po ang ating mga kuya.
Okay, magandang gabi Pilipinas. Andito na naman ang kapatiran para sa bayan. Ngayon po ay June 17, 2024. Mapapanood at mapapakinggan kami via website www.dwiz882am.com at i-download ang DWIZ application DWIZ882 sa iOS at Android phone. Live rin po via DWIZ882 Facebook page, text line number 0999-376-6768. Tayo din po ay napapanood sa Digital Free TV Aliw 23, Signal Channel 24, TV Plus Channel 27, at GMA For the Box Channel 25. Available rin po kami sa digital TV devices, TV receivers. Mangyari po i-scan lamang ang inyong digital receivers at digital boxes upang mapanood ang Aliw 23. Kanina po, para sa mga kapatiran, may institution of lodges. Kaya kahit holiday, yung ating Grandmaster still working Grandmaster. Ariel T. Kayanan. Oo. Katatapos lang din po yung Independence Day where we indulged together with the President during the June 12 wreath laying ceremony at Luneta Park and any other various parts of the countries where the District Deputy Grandmaster heading the wreath laying for the Independence Day. And finally, Sunday is Father's Day. So, siguro hindi pa naman huling lahat na batiin natin ng Happy Father's Day. Pati na rin po ako kasi father na rin po ako eh. Happy Father's Day po sa lahat, lalo na sa mga brothers in Freemasonry. So, maganda ang topic natin today dahil during the last few shows or last shows, meron tayo mga na-introduce na mga kuyang and junior masons like the Demolays, even the Grandmaster. Ngayon naman, on the other side, yung ating mga ateng and sisters and also a pendant body, especially the Amaran. Okay? So, to indulge us with informations, teachings, and education, katulad ni Most Worshipful Ariel, education, enlightenment, and equilibrium. So, let's be enlightened from our honored Queen, Lady Arlene T. Bakay, Grand Royal Matron, and Sir Knight Yesterdown P. Bakay, Grand Royal Matron. Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi naman po.
Ating Arlene and Brother Yesterdawn from King Solomon Lodge number 150.
Magandang gabi po, Kuya Jerry.
Okay. And with them is also our Job's daughter. Siyempre, anak na rin natin yun. Pag sinabi natin Job's daughter, di ba?
Correct po.
Oo. So, si Hazel Ann Lumabad, Grand Bethel Honored Queen, and Lay Jillian Constantino Cos, Grand Bethel Junior Princess. Magandang gabi din.
Magandang gabi po. Good evening, Dad, and belated Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there.
Okay, and last but not the least, siyempre, ito yung pinakaunang-una. Tsaka under ka-district ko to. Oo, siya ay incumbent senior warden ng Lacan Masonic Lodge number 483. And also, member of Muog Masonic Lodge number 89. Parang si Kuya Toby ha? Kanina, nagkita lang tayo eh. Okay? No other than Brother Luke T. Chikain. Magandang gabi, brother.
Hello po, very good evening, and to our listeners and viewers, good evening. Of course, to the representative of the Amaranth, good evening, kuyangs and moms. So, and again, thank you very much, very worshipful for having us in your radio program, and I heard so many good things about your program. And
Okay, thank you
going
very
strong.
much. Thank you very much. So, for the past years, this is the first time po ba na mag-guest ka dito?
Alam mo, I've always been a listener kasi yung friend ko po, very close friend, si Kuyang Jopi Fermin, yung nasa likod ng camera. He's been a very good friend, and I'm touched na he invited me. And of course, you also.
Hindi bale, total mas artistahin ka sa amin. Di why not guest anchor sometimes, so one of these days, di ba?
Si Brother Jopi po, kung may nakita kayong old photo, mga viewers po natin na same face but a body of a bodybuilder, hindi po Photoshop yun. Long time ago, he was a very fit person. Ngayon naman,
Fit pa rin.
pero
Fit pa rin.
cute fit na lang.
Okay, so wag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik, Kuya Luke and Kuya Yester. Let's have yung Amaranth. Ano po ba yung Amaranth in relation to Freemasonry?
Alright, ikaw na muna.
Yeah, Kuya Jerry,
Yes po.
ang Amaranth ay isang organization ng mga kababihan ng Masonria. Ito ay maring asawa, kapatid, nanay, anak, maging mga pamangkin, stepdaughters ng mga Mason. So, kung meron po kayong kamag-anak na babae, ay pwede po silang sumali sa Amaranth. Ngayon din, nung mga later part or mga bandang 2000, yung mga members, majority members ng Job's Daughter International at Rainbow for Girls ay tinatanggap na rin po sa Amaranth. And lately, nitong 2017, maski hindi po may Masonic blood, bagamat kailangan ng masusing pag-i-endorse ng dalawang Master Mason ang kailangan niya para po ma-prove ang kanyang worthiness para sumali po sa Order of the Amaranth. So, all in all, it is a organization for ladies of the Masonic family so that they can have their own organization and group among themselves and do projects, socialize among themselves, and yun po, magtulungan, especially po sa charity.
Okay.
So yun po ang brief background po ng Order of the Amaranth.
Any addition po, Honored Queen Lady Arlene
Honored
Bagay.
Lady po.
Honored Lady.
Okay
Opo.
po, ang Order of the Amaranth is a worldwide fraternal organization po siya. Yun nga po, sabi ni GRP, composed of Master Masons in good standing within the fraternal Masonry. Tapos, kailangan yung mga honored ladies at least 18 years old. Pwede po yung mga wives, mga sisters, pwede po yung mga granddaughters, pwede po adopted daughters. Yes.
And napag-alaman ko kay Kuya Yester is even hindi na member of the family of Mason but endorsed by at least 2 Master Masons.
Yes po.
Ayun. So, very wide ang scope ng Amaranth nowadays. Tingnan naman natin yung mga anak natin kung ano naman na masasabi nila when it comes to yung sa Job's Daughter. How is it compared with Rainbow? Kasi meron din Rainbow eh. Yeah.
So, ayun nga po, Job's Daughters International is a non-profit youth organization for girls aged 10 to 20. So, sa Job's Daughters po kasi, we are related to Master Masons, and parang recently na lang po na bago po sa constitution namin na we can be sponsored na lang by Master Mason. So okay lang na hindi na kami blood related, but we can be just sponsored by Master Mason and a majority member of Job's Daughters.
How many Master Masons that will endorse? So
Kahit one lang.
kahit one lang.
One lang po.
Okay. So parang closely similar na sa Rainbow, 'di ba? Tama
I
ba?
think so.
And just to add up, like the process in the Order of the Amaranth, it has to go through investigation, it has to be vowed
Yes.
and voted upon. So,
Yes. Parang parang Mason.
Oo nga.
Siyempre. Any addition po?
So yung Job's Daughters po, although it's different from Rainbow for Girls, it's actually very similar in nature. Like we share the same values, share the same mission. Ang nagde-different lang talaga sa amin during the old times, is that we require Masonic relationship. And for now, we are open for everyone. As my Grand Battle Honor Queen said, must be related to a Master Mason or before, for now, it should be sponsored by a Master Mason. So, that is what's good in Job's Daughters for now. Kasi it's open for everyone who is interested. Kasi before, it is very exclusive only to the blood-related of the Master Mason. So.
Okay, so siguro balik tayo sa Amaran kasi ang Masonry is laid upon or founded upon the principal tenets, which is alam na naman natin yon: brotherly love, relief, and truth, and under the four cardinals of virtues of Freemasonry: temperance, prudence, fortitude, and justice. Ano naman po ang saligan ng Amaran?
Meron po, yung virtue po namin is truth, faith, wisdom, and charity.
Oh, almost the same. Oo. Yes.
Dito umiikot yung objective ng Amaranth, Kuya Jerry, dahil
Apo.
ang primary objective ng Order of the Amaranth is the advancement of womanhood. Kaya kung makikita nyo sa mga projects ng Order of the Amaranth, kalimitan po rito ay women empowerment. Talaga pong binibigyan natin ng value yung kababaihan. Sila po ang boss dito sa Order of the Amaranth. Sila talaga. Ang mga mason po dito ay umaalalay lang sa kanila. Bagamat hindi sila makakapag-meeting kung walang mason na present. Tayo po ay nag-a-assist, nag-guide. Pero ang desisyon po dito, gaya siguro sa bahay,
Apo.
ay nanggagaling sa kababaihan.
Kababaihan, oo.
So sila po ang boss dito.
Yes.
Additionally, ito isang fraternal organization kung saan nagkakaroon ng sisterhood kagaya din ng mason. So
Yes.
binubuo natin ang pagiging close nila sa isa't isa, pagtulong sa isa't isa.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos charity importante. Dahil kagaya din ng mason, importante sa atin ang charity, pagmamahal sa isa't isa at gayon din sa ating
Community.
mga community. And finally, nagiging social outlet din siya.
Okay.
Meron po tayong mga social activities, lalo na kapag mga installations, ayan, naglalabasan po ang ating mga honored ladies na naka-gown, talagang
Yes.
elegant po ang kanilang installation ng Order of the Amaranth. At meron silang mga socials, karamihan meron pong mga fellowship na tinatawag. May mga dance, marami
Yes,
pong,
yes.
kaya napaka-exciting po ang Order of the Amaranth.
Actually, just recently, di ba, yung international organization ng Amaranth visited our Grand Master and we were there. During the last, siguro mga few months ago.
Yeah.
Nandito yung mga international. I don't know, how do you call them?
Nandito po sila Honored Lady Susan Patchin.
Yes, yes.
Noon, ang Supreme Royal Matron ng
Yun. Nandun.
Order of the Amaranth.
Po sila dito.
Pumunta.
Nung,
No, not here. Sa
Grand
Grand Lodge.
Oo.
We're the one catering them.
Yes, opo.
Yes.
Tapos sila po ang head ng Order of the Amaranth sa buong mundo.
Yes.
Kasi ang main base po natin ay nasa US. At sa iba't ibang bansa at states ng USA, may mga Grand Courts
That's
na
correct.
tinatawag po. Sa Pilipinas, ito po yung Grand Court of the Philippines na naka-base din po sa Grand Lodge of the Philippines. Doon po sa baba ng IMES.
Yes.
Doon
Alam
po
ko
kami.
yun.
Opo.
Alam ko yun. Doon ako nagpa-park eh. So, sa ating mga anak naman, sa Job's daughter, I know that you know also on the mga boys side. Pati yung anak ko, isali ko na rin. Kasi ang anak ko is an member of the Order of Demolay. Pasig City Chapter number 113, Order of Demolay, sponsored by Pasig City Masonic Lodge 409. So, they have also 7 cardinal virtues. Siguro, alam nyo naman na medyo familiar. Ano naman ang virtue ng Job's daughter?
Actually, Dad, it is very different yung mga teachings namin from the Demolays and also for the Order of Amaranth.
Okay.
For us kasi, we focus on the teachings of our founder, Mother Mick. Our motto is, virtue is a quality which highly adorns women. So we focus mainly on women empowerment, leadership skills, public speaking, all of that stuff that creates a fine young women for today.
Okay, tapos ano yung qualification from age, kasi sa Demolay kasi is 12 to 21. 12 to 17 will be the Order of Demolay. The knighthood is 17 to 21 until you reach the Order of Ebon. May ganun fourth degree. Sa inyo naman.
For us, Dad, for Job's Daughters International, age qualification is ages 10 to 20 years old.
Ayun.
But we can say na lang it's ages 10 to 19 because at the age of 20, you are already a majority member.
Yes, sa amin naman yung para senior Demolay. Senior na. Oo. But you can still participate but you don't have the right to vote. Yun lang. Yun yung
And to add up,
yes. Yan.
sorry. And to add up po, they also practice like us Masons. We have our cardinal virtues, faith, hope, and charity. So they also practice charity. So I think 2 weeks ago you had this Bethel number 22. You had a charity event. So it's a twice a year thing, I believe, each term. Kasi their term is twice a year. So they change sets of officers every 6 months. So on top of the charity, like LG said a while ago, it's leadership training for young girls. And as a witness, I've seen young girls as young as 10 years old, and they completed their journey as an honored queen. And now, 2 of them are
Siguro,
lawyers.
pwede natin, while you're explaining, Kuya Luke, sige lang, okay lang. We can see yung installation and coronation ng mga grand matron or grand patron. How do you call yung nasa chapter ba, tawag natin, o nasa club or nasa subordinate?
Sa subordinate po, Royal Matron at Royal Patron.
Yun, okay. So, is this how the royal matron or patron?
Ito po yung
Coronized or
sa
grand?
Grand Royal Matron.
Yung Grand Royal Matron po, may scaled down na activity pong ganyan sa courts. Ganyan-ganyan din po ang ginagawa.
Oh, so you call it, Kuya Yester, courts?
The courts, sa
Courts.
baba, tawag nila subordinate courts.
Yeah.
Dito sa national ay Grand Court naman. At sa international is yung Supreme Council dun sa US.
Oh.
So ganun po yung leveling ng organizational structure natin.
Yes. How about sa Job's Daughter naman? Ano yung, kasi sa Demolay, merong National Master Counselor, mga ganyan. May Supreme Council din. Sa Kwan naman, merong Master Counselor, Junior Counselor, Senior Counselor.
So for us naman po, we have honored queens sa Bethel na ano. So for them sa Amaranth, they have courts. So for Job's Daughters naman, we have Bethels.
Bethels.
Tapos nationwide naman, it's called Grand Bethel of the Philippines for us, and then we also have the Grand Guardian Council for the adults. So doon naman po is Grand Bethel Honored Queen, that's me po.
Yeah.
And then for the Supreme naman po, we have Supreme Bethel Honored Queen. And then they have also the Supreme Guardian Council for the adults. So sa adult side naman po ng Bethel, we have the Bethel Guardians. So sa Grand naman is Grand Guardian and Associate Grand Guardian, which is si Dad Luke. And then we also have the Supreme Guardian and the Associate Supreme Guardian.
So, siguro medyo may commonality ito that for every appendant or should I say fraternal organization which are closely related to masonry, there is always a master mason.
Yes po.
Yun. O yun. So may commonality kasi in Demolay, meron din kasing master mason who acts as advisory council. Yes.
Sa amin po kasi, pag
Apo.
sa court, kailangan po ng isang kuyang present po. Hindi po pwedeng
Magtuloy. Oo.
Yes, hindi po pwedeng mag-meeting na walang surnite.
Okay. But yung sa objective side of Amaranth, ano yung main objective? Is it more of a charity or service or what po?
Or yung
Or education?
sinabi po kanina ni GRP, yung fraternal, social, and charitable. In fact po, yung charity is our guiding principle sa order namin. Yung charity, main charity po namin is yung Amaranth Diabetes
Ayun yun.
Incorporated.
We can see the
Iba-ibang courts po yan.
charity yan, I believe.
Yes,
Yes
po.
po, charity.
Oo.
So gaya po ng sabi ni GRM, ang main objective is, main charitable activity is yung Amaranth Diabetes Foundation. Ito yung diabetes research.
Yes.
Na milyong-milyon dolyares na po ang naibigay ng
Wow.
Supreme Council po para sa diabetes research. Dito po sa Pilipinas, every courts, ginagawa po nila yung kanilang mga sugar screening, tapos may sweet fraternity, pagkatapos po na-screen yung isang individual, fina-follow up po nila yon ng pagsusuporta ng gamot, pagmumonitor. Yun po ang main ng Amaranth. And of course, aside from the other charitable activities nila like Brigada Eskwela,
Yes.
meron din po yung mga soup kitchen, mga scholarships, at iba't iba pa po. Depende po sa courts. Meron din po tayong environmental protection, may coastal cleanup. Depende po kung saan situated yung court sa kanilang mga activities. Yung ganun po ang ano.
Ilan na bang sabihin na natin ang membership? Kasi sa Masonry, meron tayong 24,000. Tapos 2,000 inactive. So 26. 26 lahat. Sa Amaranth po.
Sa pagkaalam ko pong
More or less lang po. Hindi naman natin.
4,000 siguro po active.
Malaki na rin.
Mga ganon, mga 3 to 4,000 po ngayon, composing of 44 courts nationwide. Simula po
44.
sa Tuguegarao hanggang pababa po ng Davao at ng Zamboanga. Sa kabila naman, maski sa Ilocos po, meron tayo.
Yes.
Although may mga ibang portion pa sa bansa na walang Order of the Amaranth, yun po ang sinisikap nating na magkaroon. Kaya nga po nandito kami, Kuya Jerry, para i-promote.
Kailangan ba yung na sa Amaranth na at least may sponsor mag-sponsor na lodge o hindi naman?
Hindi naman po, pero mas maigi po na may sponsoring lodge kasi meron na po tayong base ng mga kuyang.
Ayun.
Napaka-importante po kasi sa court na may mga kuyang na sumusuporta dahil gaya nga na nasabi namin, hindi makakapag-meeting ng
Walang mason. Walang mason.
Napakaganda po kapag susuportahan ng isang district, yung gagawing court, susuportahan ng isang lodge, ang gagawing court. Dahil doon na rin po mismo kukuha ng mga members na kuyang at kanilang mga pamilya na sasali.
Yes, yes.
At least 25 members po kasama ang kuyang at mga ateng at kanilang pamilya. Para makakonstitute. Pero mas maganda po mga at least 35 para po talagang strong yung court na i-constitute.
As to promotion, mamaya kayang-kaya ni Kuya Jopi yan. Sa atin namang Jobs Daughter, ilan na po ang strength ng Jobs Daughter ngayon?
So we have over 700 active members po nationwide.
Yes.
And then
Ilang
international. We have 28 active battles po as of the
Growing. And
Yes,
growing.
we're growing.
And some more are applying po
Yes.
to constitute a new Bethel.
Same din ba yan sa lodges na before it be constituted, it should be instituted, constituted, and then consecrated? Ayun.
Perhaps there
Common, Common.
the wordings are different, but in principle it's quite
Almost the same.
Almost.
It's almost the same.
Sa Amaranth, ganun din po, Kuya Jerry.
Apo.
Una is organization, tapos para kayong under dispensation. Habang bumubuo kayo, mga 18 kayo, makuha yung number na 25 hanggang 35.
Yeah.
Pag nakuha nyo na po yung number na yon, nag-initiate kayo, pag nakuha nyo na yun, saka po kayo i-constitute to become a
Yes.
regular court naman.
Yeah.
Parang masunriya din po.
And then may installation doon
Yes, ginagawa
to be
na po
consecrated.
namin isang araw para
Yes, to be consecrated. Yun yung Kasi sa Mason ganun You'll be instituted and then you have to do yung regular, yung initiate, pass and raise. And after that, you will be constituted and finally consecrated. Oo. Okay. So, medyo maganda yung topic natin. Napaka-enlightening. So, siguro excited na yung ating mga tagapakinig kung paano kami makaka-avail o maging aplikante ng Amaranth o ng Jobs Daughter. So, yun yung ating next topic. So, at this point, ano muna tayo? Time check, 7:24 ng gabi. Magbabalik po ang kapatiran para sa bayan.